Hi, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to remove connected apps and websites on Facebook and you don't know how to do it, in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can do that. So to begin our video, you need to open Facebook application on your device, then choose the menu icon. Just tap on that. It will bring you here. Scroll down where you will find settings and privacy. Tap on it. It will expand and then choose settings. So once you are on the settings page, you need to scroll down where you will find your activity, and under your activity you will find apps and websites. You need to choose that. Tap on it. It will bring you here, and here you will find the list of websites and applications which are using your Facebook account. So now if you want to remove any application, all you need to do is to tap on that. Once you tap on it, it will open, and here you will find the remove option, and you can also see the logged in with Facebook since you will find the date as well. So all you need to do is to tap on the remove option. This menu will pop up, and you need to do is to tap on remove again, and after some time this app will be removed from the connected apps and websites list. So guys, this is how you can remove connected apps and websites on Facebook. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.